And one small question that comes to my mind is, can you give us a ballpark figure, like, what amount of percentage of my income should I, seriously, as a habit, as a routine, put into investment? Like Warren Buffett always says, first you should save, then you should, spend. So what is that,
True.
maybe 20%, 10%? What do you think should be, a figure that people should keep in mind from whatever income they are, earning per month?
Ritu, you are asking this wonderful question from a wrong person. You know why? Because I'm a firm believer of what Warren Buffett has said. I give an
Right,
example. When I started working 19, 20 years back, I
right.
was in Bangalore. I started my career from Bangalore, and I
Okay.
obviously Bangalore was, even that point of time, was an expensive city. And I
Right.
remember when I was not married, I used to invest 65% of my salary. You know,
Oh, wow.
65% of my salary I used to invest. When I got married, this 65% got reduced to around 50% of the salary,
Okay,
right?
not
And,
bad. Right.
I don't remember that I compromised on any of my travel plans, any of my shopping, especially for my wife, for my kids. I never compromised.
Okay.
This is
Okay.
all about how you plan, how you plan. So
So it's more of a mindset, right?
it's more of a mindset. It's more of a
Right.
mindset. And I tell you, the people who have become financially free in 15, 20 years are the people who have stayed invested for long, number one. Number two, who have analyzed that yes, we have to put in larger amount of corpus to work for us. We have to
Mm-hmm.
employ the large amount of money that we can probably do our best in terms of putting more and more percentage of the money of our salary, of
Mm-hmm.
our business income from
Mm-hmm.
in monthly sense. So what I would encourage people, at
Mm-hmm.
least 30 to 50% of your monthly income should be invested. Let me tell you, if you fall in this range of 30 to 50%, you are going to be
Mm-hmm.
sorted. Absolutely, you are going to be sorted.